Hey guys, how's it going? Carfleet back with another Friday upload. And in this one, we got the RC crawlers again. We got two this time, but unfortunately, that one over there isn't working. This is actually an axial rake, and it's like fully built, like nothing's stock. It's got wider axles, everything's aluminum. If you look at this thing, it's a freaking beast, but we got issues in the gearbox. It's only rear wheel drive right now. I've torn it apart twice already this weekend. We just don't have the supplies here to fix it, so I don't know. Leave them here forever. You guys there. It's rear wheel, so. But this thing is really good when it's working properly. But we're back with just the one that was in the last video. This one's really good too. You can see the difference between them. This one's a scale vehicle. It's meant to look real and perform kind of like a real vehicle. It's called a scale rig, and this is just like your rock crawler. Like it still could be a real vehicle, but it's just a bit more unrealistic. It's like a buggy style, super flexy. You flex up like that, like it's pretty cool. Sucks it doesn't work, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna be using the Red Cat Gen 8 here, and I'll just have a good time, like always. Look at that.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Have you seen that before?
It's probably out of a dock. It doesn't really feel that good. Can you take the camera, please?
You're in the danger zone
Yeah.
of the shot.